Hello everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to get followers on Pinterest. In order to get followers on Pinterest, make sure to create an astounding Pinterest profile first. Go and sign up to a Pinterest account and try to add all possible vision inside your profile. While creating a profile, make sure to add an attractive business name, username, profile description, and website URL. If you're running a blog or a website, you should enable rich pins for your site, since it will add some additional information whenever you share blog URLs on Pinterest. While creating a pin, make sure to add description hashtags that shows what the pin is about. Hashtags are more trending in a post than a long description, so the power of the hashtag is not ignorable. By clicking on hashtags, a user can reach all type of post that is attached to a similar hashtags. To increase followers on Pinterest, make sure to post original contents that is made by yourself and that are dedicated to your users and make meaning of their present. You can also use the help of some free tools like Canva that make attractive and right size optimized Pinterest graphics. Like Facebook, you can also join Pinterest group boards. Joining a Pinterest group board is also a medium to share your content to a large audience that is still hidden from you. Another thing to do is follow and tag other Pinterest users. Go to the search box and type in the name of the person that you would like to follow. Once you search for the person and reach their profile, simply tap on the follow button and make sure to follow more people on Pinterest in order to get that follow back. You can go ahead and comment on popular pins by tapping on this add a comment or photo inside a pin and send the comment to the person. If you do so, you might gain some Pinterest followers by making comments on popular or trending pins. You can also link your Pinterest to social media. In order to do so, go to the profile icon at the bottom right and tap on the settings icon at the upper right. Go to account settings under personal information and go to claimed accounts. You can go ahead and link your Pinterest to your Instagram, Etsy, and even YouTube. The advantage of this action is that people can easily find you on Pinterest if you link your account to any social networking sites. If they love you and your content, they'll like to become your Pinterest followers. Another thing to do is to save pins frequently. Go ahead and pin regularly on Pinterest group boards and on the Pinterest profile, and that will keep engaging visitors from your pins, and try to add a logo inside pins. How to keep your Pinterest account private. You cannot completely hide your active account on Pinterest, but you can use secret boards to keep all your pins hidden from other people. So in order to do that, tap open your Pinterest application and sign into your account if necessary. Once you're in your home screen of Pinterest, tap on your profile picture at the bottom of the screen and you'll end up in your profile. Select any board that you want to make secret. Let me select this one right here. Now, tap on the three dots at the upper right corner from this page and tap on Edit Board. Now, under Settings, you'll be able to see Keep this board a secret. Simply enable that button and tap on Done at the upper right. Now, once you make a board secret, only you can view your own secret boards unless you invite another person to your board. That way you can hide all of your boards if you don't want to share it with anyone else. Simply tap on the three dots at the upper right, and then tap on Edit Board. Simply turn on the secrecy of your board by tapping on Keep this board secret button and simply enabling it. After you do that, you'll be able to keep your boards private and secure. How to delete a board on Pinterest. If you're done using a board for now and you want to delete the board from your profile, then follow the steps. Start by tapping open your Pinterest application from your app drawer and sign into your account if necessary. Once you're in, click on your profile picture at the bottom right, and soon after you do that, you'll end up in your profile. Tap on the board that you'd like to delete, and once you do that, click on the three dots at the upper right corner. From the expanded menu, you can either edit board or archive a board. If you want to archive a board, then you can simply tap on Archive Board, and once you select Archive, it won't be completely deleted from your profile and you will be able to sneak a peek again someday. But if you want to completely delete it from your board, then tap on Edit Board and at the very bottom under Action, tap on Delete. If you delete the board, you won't be able to get it back, so go ahead and make a wise choice. Once you're sure you want to delete the board, tap on Delete. And with this, a board has been deleted from your Pinterest. How to create a board on Pinterest. Boards on Pinterest are where you save, collect, and organize your pins. You can create a new board from your profile or when you create a new pin. The boards are used to organize your business pins so that people can easily browse your profile or explore your ideas on your Pinterest. In order to create a board, go to your app drawer and tap Open Pinterest application. If you're not signed in, make sure you are. Once you're in, from your home screen, tap on your profile at the bottom right, and then once you end up in your profile, tap on the plus button at the upper right. Once you tap on plus, under Create, choose Board. Now, start by typing in a name for your board, and you can go ahead and add collaborators for your board. Tap on this human plus icon in order to add someone, select an email address or your name, and once you do that, tap on Done at the upper right. If you want to keep this board a secret, make sure the button is green. Now after you are done, tap on the next button at the upper right. Now you can start by adding pins on your board by selecting the images displayed below. Simply tap on the plus button in order to add them to your board. Now tap on Done at the upper right after you've selected enough boards, and there you go. How to block someone on Pinterest. To block a Pinterest profile to prevent someone from following you is easy. First, start by tapping open your Pinterest application, and if you are not signed in, sign into your account. From your account's home screen, after you sign in, open the profile of the person you'd like to block. To search for the profile, tap on the search button at the bottom of the screen and type in their name or their username that you want to block. Once you enter their profile, tap on the three dots located at the upper right, and from the pop-up, select Block. Once you tap on Block, you'll be able to see a confirmation for your block request. Tap on Block in order to block the contact, and that way you'll be able to block a person on Pinterest. Once you block the person, they will still appear in search, feeds, and group boards. The pins that you've saved from them will remain on your profile, and you'll need to remove those pins one at a time if you don't want pins from them as well. How to view Pinterest history in today's episode. You can check your search history on Pinterest simply by going to your account setting within the app. Tap open your Pinterest application from your app drawer, and if you're not signed into your account, make sure you are first. Soon after you reach the home screen of Pinterest, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right, and soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. Now, go to the Settings button in the upper right corner of the screen, and from your Settings menu under Personal Information, tap on Account Settings. Once you do that, scroll all the way down and tap on Tune Your Home Feed, and you'll be able to see several tabs over there: Boards, History, Topic, and Profiles. Go to History tab, and from this tab, all the pins that you have previously engaged with will show up. Now, when you navigate through your search bar of Pinterest, it should give you the drop-down box with your latest searches and ideas for you. How to log into Pinterest with your username and password. In order to log into Pinterest with your username and password, make sure you've downloaded the application on your device and are signed up to a Pinterest account. Once you have an account, tap open Pinterest application and you'll end up in this page, which is the very first interface of Pinterest. In order to log into Pinterest, you can go ahead and enter your email address. You can continue logging in with your Facebook or your Google account. Simply type in your email address that is associated with Pinterest and tap on the Continue button. On the next page, you'll be able to see the password text field appearing. Go ahead and type in your password for your account. You can double check your password by tapping on this eye icon in the right corner so that you can reveal them before moving on. In case you've forgotten your password, you can tap on Forgotten Password link, follow the instructions to reset to a new password. Once you're done, tap on Login and you'll be logged into your Pinterest account. How to recover your Pinterest account when you've forgotten your password and don't know what to do next. First thing to do, go to your Pinterest application from your app drawer and tap it open. You can also go visit your web browser and type in www.pinterest.com, and then once you reach the home screen, simply tap on the email address box and select your email address. Simply type in your email address in the email address text field. Once you do that, tap on the Continue button at the bottom, and when the Enter Your Password text field appears, if you know your password, then you can easily enter it there and then log into your account. But since we are recovering our Pinterest account since we don't remember the password, let me go and tap on this link right here that says Forgotten Password. Once you tap on Forgotten Password, you'll be able to see an expanded menu at the bottom. It says that instructions to pick a new password has been sent to the following email address that is associated with the account, tap on OK and go see if you received any email. This is the email that I have received. Simply tap on reset password, open with either a web browser or Pinterest application, and then you'll get to enter a new password for your account. Type in the new password that you'd like to reset to. You can double check your password by tapping on this show password box and tap on login. And that way your password will be changed for your Pinterest. Next time you log into your account, remember that you have changed your password to a new one. Once you have a correct password, you will have no problem logging into your account. How to turn on the dark mode on Pinterest. If you're using Pinterest at night or prefer a darker theme, you can set your Pinterest to dark mode. In order to do so, start by tapping open your Pinterest application. Note that the dark mode is only available for mobile phones and tablets right now. After you tap open your Pinterest and sign into your account from your home screen, go to the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you go and hit your profile, tap on the settings button at the upper right from your profile. From the settings menu, tap on account settings. Scroll all the way down and under account settings, tap on app theme and you'll be able to choose a theme from system default, light and dark. To turn on the dark mode, tap on the dark option from the expanded menu and you can see your Pinterest account turn into dark mode. Doing this will help you use your Pinterest at night, which will make it easier for your eyes. And I can see that the darker theme is a lot more stylish on Pinterest as well. That is how you can easily turn on the dark mode on your Pinterest application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.